Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that you all are making profits. If not, then I'm here to help you all. This time, I'm here with a special course of mine which helped over 100 people to earn profits and make trading their primary or secondary source of income.
Now I'm making a daily 2k profit or minimum of 500 rupees profit.
After this course my concept was clear, so I started very slowly. Like I started with 6,000 and now I am having 16,000 in a month.
पंकज सर की टीचिंग बहुत ही सिंपल है, बहुत ही ईजी वे है। और मैंने उनका कोर्स 1 महीना पहले ज्वाइन किया था, तब से मुझे अभी तक लगभग 10,000 के ऊपर का मैं प्रॉफिट कमा सका हूँ और डेली बेसिस पे अर्न हो रहा है।
It really helped me, and I'm now earning decent profit. So I would like to thank Pankaj sir for his cooperation and help.
I've been making profits consistently, approximately or on an average around 1500 to 2000 rupees every single day. So I kindly request everyone, if you want to see success in your life, please join Apollo X Trading.
If you are still watching this video, then you are the one I was looking for, who is willing to learn and earn. And trust me, you have made one of the best decisions of your life by continuing to watch this video. Before getting into actual content, I would like to share one more thing. And this lesson can change your life forever. You study minimum of 19 to 20 years of life from kindergarten to college. You study to get a good job. But even after that, there is no guarantee of job. Some get a good job with decent salary and some don't even get a job. But in my course, I provide guarantee that if you take my course and trade as per my instructions, then after 1 month of course you will be able to become a good profitable trader, and I provide money back guarantee on this. Is there any trader providing money back guarantee on their course? No, because they are not confident enough about their courses, but I have that potential to make you a successful independent trader. You will be earning good amount of profit after completion of this course. In case you book losses, then I'll return all your course money back to you. Trading is not gambling, only if you know how to do it. The strategies and methods taught in this course are tested over and over again by me and my students. I have created these strategies from over 4 years of my trading experience. This course has helped over 100 people to become a successful trader and book constant profit on intraday and positional basis. In this course, everything will be taught from very basic, so even if you are a beginner, you can go through this course. The course will be conducted live via Zoom app. There will be 12 classes in total to teach you from very basics to advanced level of the stock market. The classes will be held on weekends. This way it will not affect your weekdays and you will be able to learn and to give time to your studying. There will be extra doubt classes to clear all your doubts. There will be one-to-one doubt sessions, so you don't hesitate by clearing all your doubts. Now course breakdown. So in this course, you will be taught basics of stock market, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, types of trading and traders, candlestick patterns to understand that how candles work and what do they mean, supports and resistance is it's the most important thing, and indicators and oscillators. You will be also provided with day trading setup. I'll also teach you price action theory. I'll also teach you NSE website analysis. I'll teach you to how to build a watch list, and there is a strategy behind building a watch list as well. I'll share that with you. I'll also share 5 entry and 5 exit strategies on stocks. Alright, I'll also teach you equity cash, how to trade on equity cash, how to select stocks. You'll be introduced to 5 Bank Nifty options and futures trading setup that I personally use, Nifty options and trading setups that I personally use as well, and crude oil trading setup will be also introduced to you that I use for my own trading. You will be also taught risk management because it's the most important thing. If you can't manage risk, you will not be able to make any kind of profit. So you'll be taught to manage your risk. And I'll also help you in building your trading psychology, okay, because it's really important to have your emotions in control while trading. Okay, there are some extra benefits that you get with the course that is 6 months of 90% accurate trading tips that are worth 7,500 rupees, but they will be free for you. This way, you will be able to learn and earn at the same time. And the next thing is lifetime support. I'll be always be there to clear all your doubts and support you whenever you need me. Seats are limited to 10 seats for this course, as I don't want quantity. I am more interested in building up the quality traders by providing knowledge that I have built over 4 years of experience by trading them mentally and emotionally as well. So in short, you will have all the knowledge that is required to become a successful trader with proper risk management. If you have watched this video till here, then you are very much interested in this course. So don't back off because of the price. If you can pay lakhs of money for something whose result is not guaranteed, then you can pay at least rupees 6,000 for this money back guarantee course. Yes, you heard it right. The price of this course is rupees 6,000, and you can also have a chat with me on WhatsApp by clicking on the link in the description box below and get more details about this course. This is the group of my students where they share their profits and we also discuss some of the things. So let me show you a couple of profits of theirs. Okay, so this was the one of Pranay. So the profits will be repeating itself, so keep your eyes on them, and the names will be get repeated over and over again, I guess. So 671 profit on Wednesday. This is yet another profit of rupees 510. Okay, let's move on to the next profits. Yet another profit of my another student of 1300 rupees. Alright, and yet we are on Thursday as of now. Another profit of 1.3k. Okay, and let's move on to the next page. And now another 513 rupees of profit on Thursday, and on yesterday, that means it was on Friday. And by Friday, I mean it was 28th of August. Here you see rupees 920 rupees of profit, and yet another profit by Adarsh of 12,490 rupees. All right, and yet another profit of rupees 1886. So Adarsh made 12,000 of profit, this profit with just rupees 6,000 of capital. So are you booking this type of a profit daily? Are you booking this kind of profits on a daily basis? This is yet another profit of my student Vishnu. His profit is like 4,452 rupees. So are you booking this kind of a profit? Are you in such a profit on a daily basis? If not, then this is your moment to decide whether you need to go for this course or you are good on your own. I hope to hear soon from you. Take care.